Is this the one you have on right now?
Yeah.
Literally looks so good.
I was like, I have this one on right now.
So good.
Hey everyone, it's Helen, and I'm here with my beautiful model, Lucy. And today we're creating an everyday makeup look using all clean at Sephora products. And I think you're gonna be just blown away by how simple this was to achieve. All right, we are going to kick it off with the Cali Ray So Blown Primer. This is such a great primer. It has tons of skin benefits. What kind of skin type do you have?
I typically have pretty dry skin, so I'm always piling on the moisturizer.
So this is perfect. It's really great for blurring. It also has lots of hydration in it. All right, next we are going to use the Say foundation. I love this. I'm so excited to use it on you. It is a serum foundation, so you definitely want to shake it up because the skincare and the beautiful pigments kind of separate, so it just kind of helps to activate it all again. I just really love this formula because it gives great coverage, but it is super sheer in texture.
I was gonna say it feels nice and thin.
It's so beautiful. I feel like it always just looks like your skin, but better. And I'm using a tiny amount. I mean, this is a whole pump and I still have so much left on my hand. So a little bit does go a really long way. Also love this foundation because it also has hydrating ingredients in it. Okay, that looks super fresh and glowy. I love it. All right, next for blush is Haus Labs blush. This is Pomelo Peach. And what I really like about Haus Labs is they are so innovative. Clean beauty has come such a long way. So it's not just about payoff, but it's also about like the formula. And this one has hydrating ingredients in it, even though it's a powder.
A hydrating blush?
I know, I'm so excited about
gosh.
it. I love powder blushes because they're so fast and easy to just throw on.
That's great too for the summertime. And you put some on the bridge of the nose?
I mean, just a little sun kiss look. Exactly.
Yeah, I love that.
All right, you all know that I am a mascara girly, and this is like my number one. I love the Ilia mascara. What I really love about this brush is it not only has like flatter paddle side, but it also has a side that has some really long combs to it, so you can really comb it out and get the definition that you want.
So no clumping.
No clumping. So you can see it adds a lot of length. It holds the curl really well because it's a lightweight formula. Tons of definition, lots of length. So next up, finish up the look with Ami Collet. This is her lip treatment oil. And I love it because it's kind of like that jelly texture, but it's gonna give lots of hydration to the lip, just a hint of color. Super easy to put on the go. I love this color in particular. It's called Smitten. Also super hydrating. It's a lip treatment, so gives you a little bit of color, but also hydrates your lips.
Yeah, it's like a 2-in-1.
Yeah, so pretty though. What I also really love about this is it's like so few products, but it's really easy and you look flawless and ready to go. Let me show you.
Wow, yeah. It's such a dewy kind of hydrated.
It's so good.
Simple, like fresh look.
I love how easy this is for your everyday makeup routine. These are all clean at Sephora products, so if you're interested in trying any of them, you can shop the shelf below. And until next time, bye everybody.